Want to learn how to do that and more? Well, stay tuned to the video. Okay, so first up for today, we're going to be recording audio and saving it using GarageBand. GarageBand should come installed on your phone if you're using iOS 14.0 and over. If not, it's just a simple step. Go to App Store and install GarageBand from the App Store. It's completely free, no charge. Then what you want to do, you want to launch the GarageBand app. Once you're in the app, you should see an interface there that has a lot of settings showing you could use a keyboard, guitar, whatever you choose to use. But today we're using the mic. First up, the first thing you want to do is that ticking icon is the timer that circles at the top. That's what you want to click off first. Make sure it's gray when you do it, so that it indicates that it's off. What you want to do is find the audio that you want as your charging sound, or for this option we're using it as a charging sound. So what I did, I searched up a YouTube and look for an audio that I wanted. So once you do that, just click the record button. Once the timer reaches to 4, that's when you should start playing your audio that you want as a charging sound. Then you click the stop icon to stop recording whenever your audio is finished. Good, lovely. What you want to do now is click the down arrow on the top left hand corner and click on My Songs, because we're going to save the audio now. So once that is done, you're going to see the audio that you have just recorded. On my screen you see a lot of audio because I have a lot of sound that I had pre-recorded before this video. So what you want to do is hold on that option, and you're going to see the option called Share. Click on Share, and by doing that, it should bring you up 3 different options: songs, ringtone, and project. Today we're going to select song. I'll show you what the others do in the next video, or further down this video. So once you click on song, it's going to give you to the option where you should select your audio quality. Make sure that you select the highest quality, iTunes Plus. Then you're going to hit Share, and then you're going to scroll, and then you're going to click Open In. Then it exports, and then you're going to see Save the Files. Click on Save the Files, and you should be good. And once it prompts you where you want to share it, all you have to do is select somewhere. Make sure it's under the option that says On My iPhone, and then all you have to do is select anywhere you want to put it. I'm just putting it here in the Adobe Acrobat folder for the time being. So once you do that, it's automatically saved, and it's as simple as that. Okay, so next up we have installing Base 64 shortcut. What this shortcut does is that it enables you to encode and decode text and use it as a sound. To get this shortcut, you have to install it from a web browser. So first what you have to do is click the link in my bio. I'll be clearly labeling it, and once you do that, it will you can either select Chrome or Safari, whichever browser you choose, and then you will select Get Shortcut. When the page loads, then it will take you straight to your Shortcuts app. Once it takes you to the Shortcuts app, it's going to prompt you to add untrusted shortcut. It's not a virus, it's completely safe, it's from Apple. So all you have to do is click on the add untrusted shortcut, and boom, just like that, the shortcut is installed.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for.
Okay, so you want to make sure that you are inside of the Shortcuts app. When you do that, click on the Base 64 shortcut. It's going to open up My Files. So you're going to navigate to wherever you store your audio. Mine was stored in the Acrobat folder, as you can see here. I'm going to select my audio, and then you're going to see a bunch of text showing up. That's because the audio is now encoded. So you're going to click the share icon on the top right hand corner and click copy, then click done. Then you're going to go over to the automation section. I'm going to create a new automation. Scroll all the way to the bottom. And then select charger. When you select charger, you're going to see two options for when your phone is plugged in and when it's disconnected. You can either select for both, or you can select if you want a separate sound for each. Then you're going to click on next. When you click on next, you're going to see add action. The first action we're going to add is called text. So search for text, you add that action, and then you click the plus icon again. You're going to add the base64 shortcut and ensure to paste the text inside of the text box, and then you're going to add the other shortcut called play sound. When you do that, you're going to change the encode in the base64 section to decode, and then if you do it right, when you select done to close the keyboard and then click the play icon, you should be hearing your sound play like this.
Daddy, chill.
That's what she said.
Then you're going to click next and then enter to turn off ask before running, and then you're all set. You have a new custom charging sound.
Dog drop it. Yana system we Yana system we God, man. I may never walk alone. God is always in control.
Okay, so now we're going to check out some pre-made shortcuts that are already in the Shortcuts app. So first up, we're going to go over to the gallery section of the Shortcuts app, and then we are going to click on the section that says post a status. You'll see different shortcuts that can be made possible from the different apps that you have on your phone. So you can go there, you can check them out, but I'll just be showing you two options that are there from two of the most famous apps used. Okay, so first up, we're going to be starting off with posting a status on WhatsApp, or launching the status section on WhatsApp. So first up, what we're going to do is we're going to select that section that says post a status with the WhatsApp icon to the left. So when you click that, it is going to prompt you to add the shortcut to Siri. So you can customize what you want it to do. When it's supposed to post a status, so you can see me changing mine to his status time. So when I do that, and then I will press add to Siri, it would be saved. And so when I say hey Siri, it's status time, then it would automatically opens WhatsApp, and it would automatically go to the status section, and there you'll see you can post a status. Next, we're going to do a search YouTube. So let's say you're on Instagram or any other app, but you want to quickly search up something on YouTube or launch a search section on YouTube. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to the gallery section, and then you're going to see the search YouTube options. So when you click that, you can customize it to say what you want. So here I'm just letting it stay at search YouTube. So when I activate Siri and say, hey Siri, search YouTube, no matter where you are, Siri will automatically launch YouTube, and your keyboard will pop up and you can search whatever you want. Want to learn how to add music, pictures, and videos to your iPhone? Well, subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos. I will be showing you how to do so.